Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive a little deeper into each section of the process, and I'm going to explain what you should expect from a true professional, an actual mortgage advisor. Now, from the very first conversation, you'll be able to really tell the difference that this person cares. You'll feel like you're the only client, and they really do build a good, deep connection with you. Now, in the initial call, they don't rush right into the application. I like to call it a goals and dreams call, and they're going to dive deeper into some things and find out the why behind the purchase. And they're going to want to ask a few certain key questions to really optimize a game plan that best fits you and your family, okay? One of the most important things is they're going to make sure that your purchase price and your cash into the transaction and your monthly payment all align together. And they don't want to see how much they can get you approved for. They want to ensure a comfortable monthly payment and also ensure that your family protects your cash cushion. This couldn't be more evident lately, the importance of a cash cushion with COVID. You never know what can happen, and you have to ensure that you're prepared for an emergency. Now, when it comes time to do the actual application, that advisor is going to take the time to do it over the phone with you because you don't know all the answers, and some questions or answers might lead into other questions. So it takes time to really go through it, ensuring all the information is accurate from the very beginning. Now, they're going to ask for a little more documentation from you up front, but this is because they want to minimize the chance of more speed bumps down the road. And when you get that initial approval, once you're under contract, there's going to be less things needed from you because the advisor already anticipated those things and they asked for it on the front end. Now, because they did that proper analysis and all the documentation is in, they're more than confident to send out that pre-approval letter. So now it's time to schedule the face-to-face consultation. And this is such a crucial piece of this because have you ever bought a car and you didn't meet with the person face-to-face? Well, why would you buy a house and not meet with your mortgage lender face-to-face? It further deepens that connection. And that's just important to the advisor because they plan on working with you for a long time. So at the consultation, they're going to take a deeper dive into credit, possibly give you a little coaching if you can bump up your score and maybe be eligible for a different program. They're going to explore certain aspects to ensure your financial well-being over the long run. And again, it just all goes back to the proper optimal game plan and making sure that there is no question left unanswered. Now, once you have your pre-approval letter, the lender is going to call the realtor. They're going to explain everything to you, and all parties are going to be on the same page. Now, if we need to get a couple thousand in seller credits to protect your cash cushion, everyone's going to be aware of that. And while you're out there house hunting, they're going to be proactively reaching out to you to ensure that maybe you need a breakdown for a specific property. But they're going to make sure you're so comfortable and you're confident and you know exactly what's going on. Now, when you find the right property, what they're going to do is they're going to reach out to the listing agent because they're well aware the type of market we're in right now. There's a very low amount of inventory. It's a strong seller's market, and chances are there could be multiple offers. So they're going to pick up the phone, call the listing agent, let them and their seller know that they have all your documentation, they've reviewed everything, you're great buyers, and they'll lay out what to expect from the process working with them. Proactive communication, move quickly, and it just gives the seller peace of mind and they'll feel better about accepting your offer. So that's what you can expect on the front end, working with that true professional.